First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Samir Ali, and I was student of this class. Uh, I think I had uh, before 8 or 10 years ago. I I was student of this class, and suddenly I understand that my English means is become poor day by day. So I decided to come here. And another thing is that I had a I had I, I have been chosen for the post in the water department of Maharashtra. So I decided to come here. And what's your name? Shruti. What was your question? Education. Importance of education. So I would like to tell about the education because in our life, if there is a need of as a need of water, just like a need of education, because an education is an important thing in everyone's life, not for earning money, not for the not for the money. It's important because to, to live a life, there is a, there is nothing without education, because without education man is blind. If we want to be a if we want to be if you want to be successful, there must be an education in our life. I would like to tell that Mr. B.R. Ambedkar said that an education is the milk of tigress. If someone is who will drink he will be roared. Means if we know about our what is our right, so there is importance of an education. Nowadays we can see that an education had lots of branches, and an education become is easier than the past, because nowadays the means of communication in social media and WhatsApp or YouTube, you can easily learn or you can be educated without going to school. Because we saw that in pandemic, means in corona, there were no school, but even though people means students can get could get education. So in a life, if you want to be a good person, if you want to be if you want to be a good citizen, so you should be educated. And without education, we can see that the man is blind. So that was my answer of your question. And another was what was your question?
What is the importance of water?
What is the importance of water? Okay, we can see that in our planet, in our Earth, there is a 78 or 79% of water and 21% of land. When the first animal or first bacteria or someone, it was birth in water, and without water we the human will not be survive. So the importance of water is huge, because when in our body there is a 90% of water, and without water human can't be alive. And as well as he asks a question, agriculture. So agriculture and water, is they are friends, because without water we can't produce our product or we can't produce crop. If you want to if you want to live a life, there is the importance of food and water. And without agriculture, without we can't made or we can't produce food. And for producing food, there is the importance of water. And in that, the another question was technology. Technology means human life is easier by dint of the technology, because early morning to bed we can see the technology with us: mobile, computer, fan, refrigerator, everything. The world is surrounded by the technology. So without technology means our life is harder. Nowadays we can see that by dint of technology, the man can do a work which means a work in a sudden. That works in past we could do, means there were lots of time we wasting. But nowadays by the technology our life become easier. So overall the all I think water, education, technology, agriculture, all the things are very important in our lives. Thank you so much for hearing me. Thank you.